Yamaha is set to redefine the scooter market with the introduction of the 2024 Yamaha NMAX Turbo. This new model integrates futuristic design elements with groundbreaking turbocharger technology, offering an exhilarating performance boost and an enhanced riding experience. Here's a comprehensive look at what makes the 2024 Yamaha NMAX Turbo a game-changer in the world of scooters. The 2024 Yamaha NMAX Turbo boasts a sleek, aggressive design that sets it apart from its predecessors. The streamlined bodywork, accentuated by sharp lines, gives it a sporty and futuristic appearance. The dual LED headlights provide a sharper, more aggressive look, while the LED taillights enhance visibility and safety on the road. A larger, more informative digital instrument panel delivers crucial information such as speed, fuel consumption, and turbo status. The ergonomically designed, spacious seat ensures maximum comfort for both the rider and passenger, making it ideal for longer journeys. At the heart of the 2024 NMAX Turbo is a 155cc liquid-cooled engine equipped with a turbocharger. This advanced turbocharging technology significantly boosts power and torque, while also improving fuel efficiency. The engine generates up to 20 PS, offering quicker and more responsive acceleration compared to non-turbo models. The electronic fuel injection system ensures optimal combustion, while the variable valve actuation (VVA) technology provides seamless power delivery across the rev range. The result is robust performance under various riding conditions and speeds. The Yamaha NMAX Turbo 2024 is packed with advanced technology to enhance both convenience and safety. The anti-lock braking system, ABS, comes standard, ensuring safer and more stable braking under all road conditions. Additionally, the traction control system, TCS, prevents wheel slip on slippery surfaces, enhancing rider safety. For added convenience, the scooter features a smart key system, allowing the rider to start the engine without using a traditional key. Bluetooth connectivity enables riders to link their smartphones to the digital instrument panel, providing access to call notifications, messages, and music. The 2024 NMAX Turbo's frame is engineered to offer the perfect balance of rigidity and flexibility, ensuring stable and responsive handling. The front telescopic suspension and dual rear shock absorbers, which can be adjusted to suit various riding conditions, deliver exceptional ride comfort. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the NMAX Turbo offers a smooth and enjoyable ride. The ergonomic riding position, with ample foot space and a comfortable seat, allows for long-distance riding without fatigue. The aerodynamic body design reduces wind resistance, resulting in a smoother and more efficient ride. The 2024 Yamaha NMAX Turbo represents a significant leap forward in scooter design and technology. By combining powerful turbocharged performance with cutting-edge features and a sleek, modern design, Yamaha has created a scooter that stands out in the crowded two-wheeler market. Whether for daily commuting or weekend adventures, the NMAX Turbo delivers an unparalleled riding experience, making it the top choice for riders seeking performance, style, and innovation. Yamaha continues to demonstrate its commitment to excellence, setting new standards in the scooter industry.